Hi everyone, I'm FIKRI. I will explain about a skin disorder called acne. I will explain about the definition of acne, factors that contribute to acne, effect of acne, and the last one, skin area affected by the acne. Alright, what is acne? In medical term, we call it acne vulgaris, a skin condition that occurs when our hair follicle become plugged with oil and dead skin cell. Factors that contribute to acne. The first one is genetic. Acne is highly heritable from our family. Genetic explains 81% of the variation in the population, and person with XXY syndrome may have severe acne. The second one is infection. The first one, infection by Cutibacterium acne, a species of anaerobic bacteria, and the second one, infection with Demodex, a parasite mite. Next is hormone. Abnormal level of hormone, which is too high during menstrual cycle or puberty, cause high level of androgen. Our skin follicle gland grow larger and oily sebum is increased. High level of growth hormone also triggered acne. Next is diet. Food with high glycemic load worsen the acne. Obesity have relationship with acne, and excessive intake of vitamin B12 also can worsen acne. The last one is stress, which is the common factor that worsen acne because have changes in hormone level. Now we move to the effect of acne, which is blackhead, pimples, oily skin, whitehead, and the last one is scarring. Last but not least, skin area affected by the acne is skin area that have high number of oil gland, which is our face, our upper part of the chest, and upper part of our back. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NAZRIN SHAZILI SAKRI and my student ID number is 2020829044. Okay, I'm going to talk about a product from COSAC, which is Centella Blemish Cream. We are going to have a look on ingredients, directions, side effects, storage, precautions, availability in market, price, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, for ingredients, we have anti-acne, which is zinc P and tea tree leaf oil. For antioxidant, we have Centella asiatica extract, tea tree leaf oil, Sutaleria bacalensis root extract. For skin identical ingredient, we have glycerin. For soothing ingredient, we have Viola tricolor extract, Centella asiatica extract, tea tree leaf oil, and Sutaleria bacalensis root extract. For sunscreen, we have zinc oxide. For other ingredients, we have moisturizer, which is butylene glycol, glycerin, betaine, Centella asiatica extract, zinc P, and root extract. For perfuming, we have tea tree leaf oil. For solvent, we have butylene glycol. For surfactant or cleansing, we have cetearyl alcohol. For viscosity controlling, we have butylene glycol, cetearyl alcohol, xanthan gum, and others. For antimicrobial, we have tea tree leaf oil, Sutaleria bacalensis root extract. For emollient, we have sunflower seed oil, palm oil, and cetearyl alcohol. For emulsifying, we have cetearyl alcohol, cetearyl olivate, and sorbitol olivate. Directions: after cleansing, toning, and applying serum, we should take a small amount and spread on areas that are troubled or prone to blemishes and acne. The product is also can be used in the morning or at night. For side effects, it is difficult to wash. Other than that, the product also tend to clog pores. Besides, it also feeding supports fungal acne. For storage on container, we should keep and store it in a cool and dry place. The product is put in a jar type container. For precautions, it is used for external use only. We should not use on a damaged or broken skin. And we should stop using it and ask a doctor if rash occurs. When using this product, keep out of ice, rinse with water to remove. We should also keep out of reach of children. Besides, if product is valued, get medical help right away. For availability in market, it is available in any drugstore such as Watsons and Guardian. It is available in 30 ml. It is available in any online shopping platform such as Lazada, Zalora and Shopee. The market price for the product is from 50 ringgit Malaysia. For advantages, it can combat irritation and redness, spot treatment after breakout, hydrates the skin, reduce irritation, treats wound, prevent aging, blocks sun, kills bacteria. For disadvantages, it can leave a white residue, it is hard to absorb, and it has a form of alcohol.
Now, let's talk about Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, an interesting water-based gel product that can work on any parts of the body and the face. First, let's talk about what's inside the product. Cetyl alcohol is the main ingredient in the gel thanks to its ability to prevent moisture loss from the skin and reducing the effects of bacteria affecting the skin. Other important additives include purified water, propylene glycol, sodium lauryl sulfate, stearyl alcohol, methyl 4-hydroxybenzoate, propyl 4-hydroxybenzoate, and butyl 4-hydroxybenzoate. So what are the indications to use this product? Well, first, when you have oily or dry skin and face. Second, to reduce acne growth. And finally, if you want to moisturize the skin. So how to use the product? First, if you're using it with water, you have to apply the gel on the face. Next, rub it gently. And finally, rinse it with water. But if you're using it without water, you can apply the gel on the face and then rub it gently, and finally remove the excess gel with a soft cloth. And that's how to use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So the side effects of using this product is typically skin irritation, but that depends on your skin. For storage, it is recommended to store the product under 30 degrees Celsius. In terms of availability, the product comes in various sizes like the ones shown below and are priced at 23 ringgit and 50 cents to 53 ringgit and 60 cents. So where to buy this product? Well, the product is often found in popular chain pharmacies such as Watsons Malaysia. Next, let's talk about the advantages of the product. First, it won't sting the eyes unlike other skincare products. Next, it helps remove dirt and impurities while blocking clogged pores. It is also suitable for all skin types and can be used with or without water, which makes it applicable anywhere and anytime, regardless if water is available or not. However, the product does have some glaring weaknesses to keep in mind, such as being expensive, especially for the bigger volume containers. In addition, it is not available in many pharmacies, like community pharmacies, and is usually often found in Watsons only. Finally, the product is only effective at preventing acne from growing in the first place, and not treating existing acne. Thank you. I hope you find this product as a good alternative to protect your face from acne. Let's move on to the next product, shall we?
Hi, my name is FIRDAUS Shafiee, and my student ID is 2020478232, and I'm going to explain about a product from ICON, which is ICON T3 All Pimple Cream 20 gram. The key ingredient is it contains tea tree oil, Molecular alternifolia, to help protect skin from pimples naturally without the flaking of skin like other pimple cream or gel. The other ingredient is anti-acne, which is phytofigocin, cell communicating ingredient, phytofigocin, exfoliant lactic acid, skin identical ingredient arginine, phytofigocin, sunscreen octocrylene, antimicrobial, C12-15 alkyl benzoate, phytofigocin, buffering lactic acid, gelatin, cyclodextrin. For emollient is C12-15 alkyl benzoate, PPG3 myristyl ether, emulsifying steroid 2 and steroid 21, moisturizer, butylene glycol, lactic acid. For solvent, water, butylene glycol, surfactant, steroid 2, steroid 21, viscosity controlling, butylene glycol, polychlorate, cross polymer 6. Next is for direction. First, wash face and pat dry. Apply small amount daily onto pimple affected areas or wherever your skin is prone to breaking out. Spread evenly, gently massage on pimple until completely absorbed. For best result, apply twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. For the side effect is it may provoke allergy. When applied to the skin, tea tree oil is possibly safe. For most people, it may cause skin irritation and swelling. In people with acne, it can sometimes cause skin dryness, itching, stinging, burning and redness. For the storage, keep and store it in a cool and dry space. Precaution, use this product consistently. Don't regularly sweat with other product. Follow the direction of use for the best result. Availability in market and price. You can find it in any drugstore, which is Watson and Guardian, any shopping mall such as Tesco, Giant and Mydane, online platforms such as Shopee and Lazada, and the price for this product is only RM11.05. The advantage and the disadvantage. The advantage is its cheaper price, no alcohol, 99.9% antibacterial. For the disadvantage, it contains AHA, might be harsh for sensitive skin. It has EO, their main ingredient. It has tea tree oil scent and it leaves a bit white color if you rub a lot.
Hello, my name is Nazrul, and today I'm going to talk about different gel. Different gel is a product that helps reduce the risk of scarring and hyperpigmentation by treating acne. This slide contains its ingredient, how to use, side effects, storage, precautions, availability in market, price, pros and cons. For the ingredient, different gel active ingredient is adapalene. For the inactive ingredient, it consists carbon monoxide 0, added disodium, methylparaben, poloxamer, 1,2,4-propylene glycol, purified water and sodium hydroxide. How to use different gel? First, we need to cleanse the affected skin with a mild cleanser or a mild soap and then apply a thin layer of different gel to dry skin and follow up with a moisturizer. If it comes in pumps, squeeze a small amount onto your fingertip and spread a thin layer over the entire face and any other affected areas. The side effect of different gel is dryness, redness, irritation, stinging and also burning. For the storage, store different gel at a room temperature between 20 Celsius to 25 Celsius. Do not freeze different gel. Precaution. Before using adapalene, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or to a age-related drug. This medication may make you more sensitive to the sun, and you also should avoid applying different gel 0.3% to cut, abrasion, and sunburned skin. The availability in market. Different gel available over the counter without prescription. It can be buy online and store. It weighs between 15 gram and 45 gram, and it comes in tube or pump. Price. Different gel usually costs around RM49.90 and above. Finally, pros and cons. For pros, different gel available over the counter. It is less irritating than other retinol and easy application. For cons, it requires consistent use, may make acne worse and may also cause dry skin. Okay, that's all for different gel.
Hello, my name is MOHAMAD SHAZANI bin Muhammad SHAKRI. My student ID is 2020842506. So let's continue our presentation with the next product. So I'm going to review the mentholatum acne scar gel. First off, let's go through the first part, which is the brand name. So the brand name of this product is mentholatum. This product is made specially to treat the acne scar appear on the face. Next, let's have a look at the ingredients contained inside this product, which can be divided into two parts. The first one is the active ingredients, or we call it as API or main ingredients. The second one is the excipient. I'm going to describe some of the additives used in the process of making these products. These are the ingredients in details. The API is salicylic acid, which acts as the anti-acne or exfoliant, 3 excipients including tocopherol as the antioxidants, ascorbic 2 acid, which is the skin brightening, triethanolamine as the buffers. Some other ingredients are cetrimonium bromide as the emulsifying agent, potassium sulfate is the preservative, and both water and alcohol is the solvent. So how to use this acne scar gel? These are the important steps. First, make sure to use after cleansing. Then, apply a right size amount onto acne areas, and make sure to apply it 3 times daily. However, this product could also cause some serious side effects, such as rash, itching, and also skin irritation. Then, for the storage, you can store it at a cool and dry place. And also, make sure to protect the product from being exposed to direct sunlight. The availability of this product in the market is either 12 gram or 18 gram. Usually, 3 tubes of 12 gram will be available in the packaging, while the commonly sold is the 18 gram tube. The price of this product is around RM70.90 and above. You can obtain this acne scar gel at any nearby chain pharmacy, such as Watson, or you can buy this product online via Shopee app. Lastly, these are the pros and cons of the mentholatum acne scar gels. So the advantages of the products are, it is cheaper compared to some other products. Also, it is easy to be obtained. While the disadvantages of the products are, it might cause several side effects. Also, it is rarely being used since the brand is not really popular.
Hi, my name is Muhammad ZULSYAHMI bin SHARIF. My student ID number is 20204646 and 54. And for my part, I will share with you guys about Nixoderm ointment. In this part, I will explain to you guys about the ingredient of this ointment, how to use it, the storage, the availability in the market, price in the market, and lastly is the advantage and disadvantage of this ointment. Moving on to the ingredient, first, this ointment has benzoic acid 6%, which has antifungal properties that can be used to treat fungal infection. Next, it has salicylic acid 2.5%. It has keratogenic agent that can treat and prevent acne. Also, it has precipitated sulfur 4.6%. It has mild antiseptic properties and is targeted for fungal infection and killing parasites. Next, we move to how to use Nixoderm ointment. First, we need to apply gently a good amount of ointment so it covers the affected area. Make sure to done it twice daily, day and night. And we need to apply it for 7 days, then stop for 3 days and continue for another 7 days. Make sure to follow this pattern until the condition has cleared out. For the storage, make sure to store it below 30 degrees Celsius in a tight container, and also please keep it out of reach of children. For the availability in the market, it can easily be found in the Watson, Guardian and other retail pharmacy. It only weighs just about 17.7 gram, and for the price, it is really cheap. It costs only RM6.80. Lastly, for the advantages and disadvantages. Firstly, we will look at advantages. The size of the packaging is small, so it is easy to carry. It can shrink active acne in 3 days, and lastly, it is affordable. For the disadvantages, it can cause irritation to sensitive skin. It has pungent smell and may be displeasing to some people. And lastly, it can dry our skin. So, make sure to apply moisturizer before applying this ointment.
My name is Nik Muhammad IRWAN bin Muhammad RASANI from C1. Today I will present about benzoyl peroxide or OC cream. This product is a cream that helps to kill acne bacteria, dry out excessive oil and unclog blocker pores. For the overview of the presentation, we will talk about ingredient, direction of use, side effect, storage, precautions, availability in market, price and advantages and disadvantages. Next, For the ingredient that have been used in the OC cream is, for the active ingredient, we use benzoyl peroxide 10%, and for the preservative, the methyl paraben 0.15% and propyl paraben 0.05% have been used. For the direction of use, before you start using Oxy-10, you may choose to apply a test dose to see if you have a reaction. Apply a very small amount of the medicine to 1 or 2 small acne areas every day for 3 days in a row. If there is no reaction, begin use the full prescribed. Wash your hand before apply and after apply this medication. Clean and pat dry the skin to be treated. Apply benzoyl peroxide in a thin layer and rub in gently. For the side effect, it will be mild stinging or burning, skin dryness, peeling or flaking, redness or other irritation. For the storage and container, the product comes packaged in a tube, stored at room temperature away from moisture and heat. For the precaution, those who have sensitive skin should not use this medicine. Rinse with water if Oxy-10 gets in your eyes or mouth. Avoid using skin products that can cause irritation, such as hard soap and shampoo. Avoid exposure to sunlight or tanning beds. Availability in market. Oxy is available at major pharmacies, supermarket, and hypermarket in Malaysia, as well as online platform. Both Oxy 5 and Oxy 10 are available in 10 gram tubes or 25 gram tubes. For the price, for the 10 gram tubes is about Rm 9.50, and for the 20 gram tubes is about 19.90. The last one is advantages or disadvantages. The advantages is it is easy to get, price is cheap, has a small tube, and it kills any bacteria. For the disadvantages, benzoyl peroxide is extremely drying to the skin and may not be suitable for some skin types. I think that's all. Thank you.